Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is my Privé portrait. I think the thing that got me into music was just listening to the radio and sharing, mixtapes and CDs with friends at school. I don't feel like there was a one pivotal moment when I decided I wanted to play music. I feel like it was just something that was always there. My inspiration for writing songs can really come from anywhere. It can come from my own experience with, day-to-day activities. It can come from someone I observed. I can really be inspired just walking down the street or taking my dog on a walk. It's like a diary. I also feel like it's really important for other people, listeners who might not know how to express something they're feeling. It's kind of a way to connect emotionally to other people. I would say that my personal style is a blend of vintage pieces and new from designers that I love and respect. I'm also really inspired by musicians from the past and musicians that I know currently working. Just love rock and roll style. Well, I think I have a great relationship with my hair. We travel together, obviously, so I like to have a haircut where I can just wake up and kind of ruffle it up and go, but I also love to spend, an hour, listen to a record, flat iron my hair, we spend a lot of time together. I would describe myself as very creative, a little impulsive, but I'm very dedicated, and my friends and family and the people in my life are the most important thing to me. My advice to anyone wanting to get into the music industry and be a musician as a full-time career is to just take the time and the energy to master your craft. It might feel like it's going slowly, but just, write a million songs, and even if, 95% of them are bad, you're gonna get something good. Just be patient.